morning. Hari kita din nag-cover sa Barangay Kalumpang Molo, Iloilo City kung sa di nagpatigayon ang pila ka mga organization sa syudad ng Iloilo sang cleanup drive. Gusto tadi anay. Boom, natipalo si Bading. But here's a better camera angle for this vlog. Most of you might be wondering what led me to do this one. Well, damo-damo lang kuya kong kaisa sa video clip sa isa ka adlaw, and I want to have something to remember it by through a compilation, aka a vlog. So we covered 2 coastal cleanups today. Una sa distrito sang Molo and the other one is sa distrito sang Arevalo, both initiated by 2 different organizations. This is my interview with Benz Dalariman, isa sa mga core leaders sa ginpatigayon nga cleanup drive sa distrito sang Molo under the Proyecto Youth Network Incorporated. It's always nice to see familiar faces. Kilala ko ni si Benz bangod sa time namon sa West Visayas State University where both of us served as members of the council. Although we're no longer a part of it, it's always nice to see that we are still looking for mediums to serve our community in our own little ways. And as cliche as it sounds, when I think of West, I think of home and all the student leaders that it has managed to nurture and mold all through these years. Kag nakita ko man si Arcel Cagsilian, ang amon niya former University Student Council support group sang amon nga term.
Pinaka-rason nga ginobrasa nato nationwide pagid because our concern for the environment is not just here in Iloilo City and should not just be here in Iloilo City. This should be a national concern, and that is our goal para malapnag naton. And also ang aton nga clean up hindi lang siya nga puro tinlo-tinlo lang. Kaya ara kita nga ginatawag nga waste count card form kung sa diin ang plastics naton itali dira naton kag ina naton nga nationwide nga data i-brown na sa naton nga Philippine Waste Report 2025.
They were able to invite a total number of 1,800 participants for the said event, and this is their 3rd year conducting a coastal cleanup. It's nice because the first thing that comes into mind when we say coastal cleanup is the term Band-Aid solution, or that it is only a one-time event. But after our interview with Mr. Dalariman, it's good to know that they have plans to collect the data and make it into a waste report for the year 2025 so that it will serve as an awareness campaign not just for those who are part of the circle of the academe or the different organizations, but also to the residents of the said place. Okay, live kita po dari sa distrito sang Arevalo, particularly is sa Villa Beach. Amo niyang direct partner sa Army Iloilo. To add to this, we also provided media coverage for the Rotaract Iloilo South, who also conducted an international coastal cleanup in the district of Villa Arevalo, particularly at Villa Beach 8. And just like the Proyecto Youth Network Incorporated, they partnered with Resbin, a startup company in Iloilo City that focuses on revolutionizing plastic waste recovery.
And it's really important talaga to care for our seas kasi all life started from the ocean. And look at what we're doing to it now. This is what gives us life. The ocean gives us life, and we're destroying it. We're desecrating it. We're polluting it with different plastics. And now there's these studies that are coming up that fishes are having microplastics found in their gut. And I feel like since we're the cause of this pollution.
And there you have it. Now here's me randomly ending this vlog with a clip together with the Arendella siblings, MJ and Marco. Say hi lang sa video. Ma-vlog na ko daan sa vlog. Hello! With the Arendellas.